Hey guys, welcome back to the Joe Jaguar Show. One more time, your best friend in astronomy and science. I want to give this guy one more shot. This is the 128 Takahashi, of course, and the doublet fluorite model on the EQ6. Now, the other time when I showed you guys and I did the moon in the daytime, moon in the nighttime, and the scene on both were terrible. Like you guys probably saw on the video, it was hazy, it was cloudy. That was also the week of the fires that was all over Canada, and I think even in the U.S. You know, it was a bad week. So just in case you guys were wondering. Also, I did find Venus 5 minutes literally before I went behind the building, and again, I didn't want to go out there, as I explained. So the image of Venus was not great in that video, probably because the telescope was, catching half the building, half the item, and because the fires put a lot of haze into the atmosphere, that type of thing. So it wasn't great. So I need to give this guy one more chance. Now I'll give this guy another chance when Jupiter and Saturn come, but I don't want to wake up at 4:30 right now. I'm gonna wait a couple months. Who knows? Maybe if I know it's going to be clear for sure, maybe I can wake up early and give that a go. But it is very hard when you're used to waking up every day at 6 o'clock. By the Friday, I am dead tired, and I like to sleep in Saturdays and Sundays. Sometimes I wake up between 9 and 10 a.m. Very few times, if I'm very tired, even a bit longer. So to wake up at 4:30 to do by the time you set up everything, give it a little cool down time, and then actually, view it, do a video, you're looking close to an hour and a half by the time you do that, and then bring everything back in. I don't know if I can do that. A couple times when I took a week's vacation and I stayed home, then, I can get up late the next day. Of course, on a weekend, when I can sleep in, doesn't mean it's going to be clear. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's see if I can find Venus and give you a better shot now with the camera adapter through the eyepiece and see it better than that last time. Okay. Okay, so there is 18 millimeter. Again, on this telescope, it's going to be 1040 divided by 18. It's going to be 57, 58. That's not bad. Let me tighten this down. Oh, wow. Is that fluke or what? You guys saw that. A plane just crossed. Okay guys, so here is Venus at 9 times. I'm blowing it up on the cell phone. Okay, it's only fair I put in a power mate, and instead of blowing it up on the screen, I'm just using true power. 288 power, which is pretty high. I think it looks pretty good. With this mount I have tracking. It's not a go-to, but I don't know if it's polar aligned perfect. Here, let me just stop touching it. Now on the screen, I'm blowing it up 2.7 times more. I think that's a very good image of Venus on this mount with this telescope. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. It's still kind of light out there. Sunsets is just about now, but Venus, I don't even know if you can see it. Now, I am not going straight. I'm actually going on the side so I can get a better view. And I don't even know if I can see it here. There. So, but remember, I am not going straight in the eyepiece, which is like at the building. I'm actually was moving all the way to the side to see it. So anyway, but I think that's a good second video. I think Venus is looking better the second time because of these sky conditions is better, and it had more like atmosphere disturbance last time. Plus, it looked like chromatic aberration as well. So anyway, that's it for this one. Let me go inside and relax a bit because there's really nothing else to do here, and the moon is past, or it's full, 1 day past full, so there's not going to be much to view else. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know anybody that is interested in astronomy, share my link. And if you're on the forums and somebody's asked about a video that I've done, why not share it with them? And I do have members videos only, which is 99 cents, and you get to see videos that are only for the members, and I'm gonna have at least one video on there, as well as I'll put your name in the description. So I made it as cheap as possible. If you would like to join the members videos only, 99 cents a month just helps me in getting stuff like this so I can show you guys type of thing, because my channel is mostly about gear reviews and comparisons. I have done in the winter a lot of showing you guys what a clusters mainly look like in like a 12-inch Dobson, which is great too. It gives me more videos to show, but it's very expensive to always do products all the time. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Why not you? Why not me?